let's get to cooking. So I went to a Christmas market a couple days ago and I had some hot chocolate. That's it. Let me fix the camera. I'm using dark chocolate to cut out the richness of the heavy cream in the milk that I'm using. I'm using this brand, and you know I gotta use that Walmart brand. You know, can't forget the Roots. I love that Great Value. My knife is not sharp enough to cut this up, but we're just gonna. We're making our homemade whipped cream, so I don't have powdered sugar. So the best way to get powdered sugar is take your regular sugar and blend it up until it's powder. If y'all didn't know. So, I gotta work on my angles. There we go. There we go. So it's going to get loud, but you know, when I was a little kid, I used to love watching the Polar Express because of the hot chocolate. So it's heavy cream. I'm eyeballing a little bit of vanilla extract. It's regular sugar blended up. So now we gotta whip it. I take you guys outside the camera, but we whipped it up. Took me about 5 minutes. This is the consistency because it's whipped cream. Our milk. Whipped cream. So I added some cinnamon, vanilla extract to it. Just gonna keep stirring it up. Gonna wait till it's to a boil. Add a cup of cocoa powder, the chocolate. Okay. Don't want to burn the pot. So now we're going to pour it. We're going to add the homemade whipped cream to the top. We're going to get our chocolate bar. And we're just going to with our whipped cream, we're going to add our vanilla wafers. So, I know this is going to be hot, but it's okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is way better. This is like, I'm never using the packs again. I will take this extra 5 to 10 minutes to make it like this. For sure. Like with the instant pack, it's like watered down. Nah, it's really hot chocolate. Then a whipped cream cools it down. This is very rich. Oh my gosh. My kids, we're gonna be making this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is so fire. Thank you guys for watching. Hey, to keep the vibes good and the eats even better, please like and subscribe. Gotta pay my student loans off, man. Well, have yourself a merry little Christmas. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.